In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I brainwashed myself to be financially free. Now, just before I continue the video, just so you guys know who I am if you're new watching this, my name is Alim and I left the UK over 12 months ago. I literally packed my bags, quit my 9-to-5 job and just moved to Dubai. And literally now I earn over 6 figures a year, living in the greatest city ever in Dubai, as you can see from the backdrop behind me. And yeah, life is good. Now, I brainwashed myself to be financially free. Now, you're probably asking how did I brainwash myself? How does that even work? Can you do that for yourself? X, Y, and Z. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about firstly how I was able to brainwash myself, and secondly, how you guys can basically do the exact same thing for yourself so you can actually have a life worth living, right? Now, if you're watching this video, you're probably working a 9-to-5 job and you're not happy with it. You want to do something else. You want to start a business, specifically an online business. And you've realized that working for someone else isn't actually bringing you happiness. And for a lot of you guys, it's not even the money, right? Like, a lot of you guys might make a lot of money in your 9-to-5 job, you might not, right? But ultimately, you don't have freedom. And in my opinion, freedom is worth more than money, because even if you're making, let's say, 20 grand a month, but you have a boss and you have to work for someone else, well, life's not really worth living. You're not really enjoying life to the fullest, right? And I can tell you this for free, because when I moved to Dubai, obviously not only did I make more money, but I had freedom. But it's not even the money that's got me excited. It's not even the money that's made me happy. It's the fact that I have freedom. The fact that I can go anywhere in Dubai, work for myself, live the life I want to live, right? Which I couldn't do in the UK, because I remember when I was working a 9-to-5 job in the UK, going to work, like I had to go into work, right? I couldn't work from home. And I used to hate it. I used to hate it because I used to see, for example, on my phone, on the YouTube channels, I used to see people out in Dubai, younger than me, 21, 22, living life, you know, going different places, traveling, going to certain events. And I couldn't do any of that because I was at work, right? I couldn't leave my workplace. I couldn't leave early. I had to be at work. And I remember when I was working for Sky back in 2020, when the coronavirus situation happened. And back then, I kind of got a taste of what it's like to have freedom, because I used to take my laptop everywhere when I used to work, and I used to go out, take my laptop, X, Y, and Z. Anyway, long story short, I wasn't even allowed to do that. But it kind of gave me that, it kind of gave me that taster of what freedom is like. Because back then, I was just taking my laptop and I was working everywhere, albeit I was working for another company. But it gave me a taste of what it's like. But obviously that wasn't the full experience, right? Because I still had to answer to someone. I still had, people on my case. So it wasn't technically freedom. It was just basically, freedom in a very confined way. So when I moved to Dubai, I was trying to apply for jobs and trying to get different jobs. I've mentioned this in a few other videos, but I wasn't able to get a job. So what did I do? Was I focused on my online business. Now, at the time, I was doing sponsorships. I was making money through YouTube through sponsorships. I was making money through, different ways, through different sponsors. I was making mainly drop shipping videos at the time. And I was making a decent amount, not nothing crazy. I was making about, $4,000-ish a month. And I got a little bit comfortable with that, which I regret, because, it wasn't really that great, because there was still a lot of work I had to do. I still had more bosses on top of me. Anyway, I decided, I don't want to do this anymore. I want to start my own coaching program, because ultimately I want freedom. Now, just before I continue, if you guys are looking to make money online, where I can scale you to 10K a month working with me on a 3-month program, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, let me hear your situation, let me see exactly how I can help you, right? So the business model I ended up doing was starting my own coaching program. Now, the reason I did that is, 1, because it gives me more freedom. 2, it's the best beginner-friendly business model. 3, it can make you the most money, right? So I spoke with my mentor at the time, who basically helped me set this program up, helped me set up my coaching business. And we went through different things. We went through pricing, we went through how I'm setting everything up. And guys, in my first month of doing it, I made £10,000, right? And that's no exaggeration. I was able to sign a lot of clients, made 10K in my first month. And I realized that, this 100% is the best beginner-friendly business model, right? Because if I can do it, starting it for the first time, a lot of you guys can do it as well, right? And I didn't spend a penny on ads, by the way. Literally no money on ads. Everything was organic. And it just worked so well. Now let me talk about how I brainwashed myself to be successful. Guys, I used to say to a lot of people, I'm going to become rich, I'm going to be successful, I'm going to be financially free, I'm going to live in Dubai. I said this to people from the very beginning. And it's crazy because I've actually got WhatsApp messages that date back to 2019 of me saying basically, I'm going to move to Dubai by 2024 and I'm going to be financially free. I said this in 2019 and in 2024 that actually happened. It's crazy, right? And I said to myself that the only way I'm going to be able to, be successful and live here in Dubai is if I take risk, okay? Now, I was so brainwashed by myself because I was kind of deluded. And guys, you need to have this delusion. If you're not deluded, you're not going to achieve anything. And I genuinely mean this. If you want to achieve anything significant, you have to be deluded. Like, I'll give you an example. Jake Paul is fighting Anthony Joshua, right? On paper, Anthony Joshua should absolutely annihilate Jake Paul. But Jake Paul is saying that he's going to knock out Anthony Joshua. That's self-belief. That's delusion. Now, if he didn't have that, there's no chance he's going to beat Anthony Joshua. With him having just that self-belief and delusion, obviously, on the outside again, it's not likely, but just having that ounce of self-belief and delusion to the level that he's got it at the moment, anything is possible, right? So you guys have to have that delusion, that self-belief that you know it's going to happen. And that was the only reason I was able to move to Dubai. Because guys, who's going to move to Dubai with nothing lined up here, right? Quitting the 9-to-5 job, moving here with no savings, right? Literally, I had no savings, no money. I moved here with no savings, no money, just a little bit of online income, which was literally not a lot, right? It wasn't enough to survive on. But I had that self-belief, I had that delusion that I am going to be successful, I am going to work hard, I am going to achieve what I want to achieve. And it happened, right? Like, I'm here in Dubai. I mean, you can probably see from the backdrop, the views are absolutely incredible, right? My balcony has a swimming pool. I mean, you can probably tell from the reflection here, the steps of the pool. Yeah, I mean, life has completely changed. Over 2 years ago, I was working a 9-to-5 job. I was answering to a boss. I was working 12-hour shifts every day for a week. And guys, this was only 2 years ago. Life has completely changed in 2 years. To be fair, my life completely changed in a year and a half, if I really truly look at it. A year and a half ago, just over a year and a half ago, I was working a 9-to-5 job. So guys, the only reason I'm able to do what I'm able to do now is because I brainwashed myself. I was deluded. I had delusion, right? You guys have to ask yourself, are you deluded? Do you have any sort of goals that you want to achieve that if you told anyone else, they'll say, nah, like, how can you even think of that? If you're not creating goals like that, then you are not going to achieve anything significant. So you need to be deluded. Don't be realistic. A lot of people tell you, be realistic with your goals, be realistic. Bruv, if you're going to be realistic with your goals, you are not going to achieve anything significant in your life. Everything I said that I'm going to do, I am now doing it. And none of them was realistic. None of them was, oh, yeah, I'm going to do this or I'm going to do that. Nothing very realistic. Everything was delusional. You probably heard that saying, shoot for the moon and you might land on the stars, right? Something along those lines. I don't know the exact quote, but you know what I'm trying to say. Aim high, because even if you get 1 or 2 steps behind that, you'll still be happy. You'll still have achieved something significant. Guys, the whole point of this video is basically trying to explain to you, do not be realistic. You need to brainwash yourself to be successful, because most of the people that are successful today already believe they're going to be successful. Most of the people that are successful today already visioned this, already experienced this in their mind, right? And it's a bit of law of attraction, right? Law of attraction does work, by the way. You've got to believe it, visualize it, and then put action towards it. Because a lot of people think, oh, if I just sit and believe and think about it, it's going to happen. No. You need to take action, right? But to be honest, if you do it correctly, naturally you will take action anyway. So before you can actually be successful, you need to believe you already are. And that's how life then catches up. It's not the other way around. You don't become successful and then you believe it's possible. No, you believe it's possible and then you become successful. And if you guys need any help with starting an online business that can generate you 10K a month, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Now guys, if I had stayed in the UK, I 100% would be broke today. And I actually made a full video on this. So make sure you click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.